guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a day in my life, which is different from what I usually do because I usually do a week in my life. So today I'm gonna do a day in my life, full day of class, and then tomorrow I think I'm gonna do a half day class. So today is Tuesday. I usually go back to school on Monday, but yesterday was Independence Day, so we didn't have classes. I also didn't do as much as I wanted to do last weekend. By last weekend, I mean Sunday, Monday, because of some circumstances and me getting, I think, food poisoning yesterday. Yeah, so I slept the whole of yesterday until I'm not sure, 5 p.m. maybe. But yeah, I started sleeping at 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Yeah, and then on Sunday I just recovered from my tiredness from the past few days, as well as I went to the dentist, which was crazy at the least. I also last Sunday did what do you call this? Go to a conference and clean out my bedroom, which was a big task. It took us 4 or 5 hours, and that was just decluttering and not even cleaning. So today it's currently I think 3 in the morning. Hopefully it's still 3 in the morning. It's 3:20 in the morning. I'm not done studying. I only have started studying for my quiz at 7 a.m. I haven't packed my bags to go back to Val, and there's all my uniforms, and there's so much laundry to do still. So I'm gonna do that very, very quickly, pack my bags, and then what else do I need to do? Yeah, pack my bags and then study. I have 2 more topics to go through. Well, 1.5. I think I did half of one, but they're very long and they're very hard topics, so let's get to pack. Just got in the dorm and I think I forgot to lock my door. Hopefully it's just that, but I'm not missing anything. And my most valuable thing here is my fridge, and it has everything I left it. It's just how I left it. So everything is still nakaangat because I did that. Other than that, I'm gonna start and unpack, but I'm not gonna make them ayos. I'm just gonna unpack them because my sister's waiting for me so she can make me hatid on the front gate. So let's go and unpack. a typical day in my life in any way, shape, or form. Well, it was until I went to, um, I actually first went to Victory Mall, but I didn't like show it to you guys because I'm scared my phone's gonna get snatched again, because that's where my phone got snatched. But I just changed my tempered glass both on my phone and my iPad. It's been on my list for like a month now. So I just changed my tempered glass because they were cracking up. So it's currently 10:39 at night. I just got home from S North with my cousin. I also bought gummies in Victory Mall. Got 2 of them. Like, why is the question? I don't know. I wanted them. Got them. But the reason I went to SM North was to get my old SIM back. So I got it. I'm actually thinking of switching this into like a week in my life, just because I don't think I vlogged too much for a day in my life today, but I did vlog way more than I would vlog if this was like a real week in my life. Also, I had to like fix my tin ID like really quickly because it's what they would accept. And I think that's about it. I'm gonna go get changed, ready for bed, start a new day tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna make this into a week in my life. So yeah, Charlie like also like had an accident on the bed, but like he vomited on the bed. That's what he does when he makes pam pam. But he also just ate a treat because I gave him one because I've been out for most of the day. Although I went back for lunch, I also didn't vlog that just because I'm nahihiya to my friend. So yeah, let's go get ready for bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I forgot to vlog again, but yeah, this is how I look. Is that a bump? It's fine. This is how I'm going to school. I forgot to vlog again. It's Wednesday. I tried to study the whole morning. Didn't work, of course. I don't think I finished studying, but I did finish my homework, and I think that's about it. Yeah, let's go to school. It's currently 1:19, maybe 1:20 right now already, because like, let's see, yeah, it's 1:20. My class is at 1:30, and it's so hot out. I need my umbrella. I'll see you guys in class. So something happened. I opened the door for Charlie to pee outside, and then when I opened the door, he peed inside. So I got mad that he peed outside, so I didn't let him in the room again, and then he bit me. This is a big ass bite. I'm now looking for an animal center to get like a booster shot, because I already had mine like this time last year, probably. I don't know. So we'll get to that in a moment. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Thursday. I feel like it's Wednesday because it's like the 3rd day of school, and like yesterday I didn't vlog as much, which I usually do on Tuesday. All because there was no classes on Monday. Not that I'm complaining that there was no classes. Anyway, I'm gonna explain what happened last night. So, well, after I got home from it's not the vet. Is it the vet? It's not the vet. The vaccine center for anti-rabies. I fell asleep. Like, I just like done. And then I alarmed for 2 a.m. but I didn't wake up at 2 a.m. I woke up at like 7 a.m. So I was down from the drugs. And also because I've been feeling sick. I got 2 shots here and 1 here. It's just my booster though. It's pretty deep. This is it. If you don't like to see scars, just skip over this. But so it was entirely my fault why I got bit. Charlie is a very, very, very nice dog. He is very patient, but he was scared at that time because what happened was he peed inside, and then I opened the door for him so he could pee outside, and then he peed inside, and then after he peed, he went outside. So I wouldn't let him in the room. So I did, Charlie, can you come here? I kept stopping him like this to go in with my left hand because this the one that was bitten. Like, okay, he doesn't want to cooperate anymore, but I tried again. He really doesn't want to cooperate. He said, it's not my fault, it's not my fault. Anyway, so there, I called my sister to get my vaccination card from the first time. Well, the first time was actually more of just like a precaution because mine didn't bleed or anything. It was just like a scratch, but it was just a precaution. That's why I got that. So now it was just a booster. And I also went because it was deep. So I just walked to the center. It's quite near Fatima. It's just at like BBB, I think. That's what's the place called. Yeah. But my arms are so sore. I feel like I went to the gym. Like they're sore like that. And my sugat, my bite as well. It's also sore. So there's that. I've been trying to do homework on my laptop since I woke up like at 7 a.m. because I had something to pass at 8 a.m. that I forgot. But it keeps like not getting internet, see? But I have like Google Docs or something, but I don't have like Fatima and I can't access. I wanted to watch Quantumania while I ate breakfast, but it wouldn't load. Also, I kind of watched Quantumania already with my friends, but I slept for like the whole thing except for like the first 10 minutes or something like that. But yeah, it's currently 9 a.m. already. Also, I'm on antibiotics for the scratch. It's just called amoxicillin. It's just like a precaution thing. So I've been trying to do homework because as I've said, I had homework that was due at 8 a.m. And the other thing I wanted to do was like my presentation for next week because I wanted to have check like later, but one, my group mates aren't working yet on it, and two, like there really isn't internet on my laptop, but there is on my phone and my iPad. But what else? I'm looking at my thing and finals is so near. Like finals is like settling in. I am talking so much already. This is 4 minutes and 30-second clip already. But finals is in 2 weeks. Finals is in two weeks. I didn't realize that part. Finals is in 2 weeks. Yeah, because this week is almost ending already. So finals is in 2 weeks. Okay. I've got to start studying for that. If my thing works. I don't think it's gonna work though. So I'll probably have to do this at home, like at my home, not here at my dorm. And instead, I'm gonna do homework that's due tomorrow and the next week. I have like a couple more homeworks that are up already on my Canvas, so I can do that. But what else do I do? Class isn't until like 1 p.m. I should like study like biochem because like there's like we're not having like quizzes for that, but the topics are like really, really long. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking here because it's already like 6 minutes long, and I'll see you guys later. Hey cutie. Gawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo. Kahit ang hinahanap mo. Ligaya asang ibigin ka sa tanghali, sa gabi at umaga. Sanang magtanong at magduda. It's cruel summer with you. That's what I tell no rules. Breakable heaven like ooh. Cruel summer with you. I'm drunk in the back of my car, and I cry like a baby coming home from the bar. Oh, it's not cry 'cause it wasn't true. I don't wanna keep secrets just to keep you. And I snuck in from the garden gate every night this summer just to steal your face. Oh, 'cause I did for whatever it's worth. I love you ain't been the worst thing you ever heard. He looks up grinning like the devil. It's you. Shape of your body, it's blue. Big heaven. Yes. True summer. That's what I tell no rules. Ooh, summer. I'm drunk in the back of my car, and I cry like a baby coming home from the bar. Oh, nothing less. I don't wanna keep secrets just to keep you, and I snuck in through the garden gate every night that summer just to steal your face. I love you, ain't that the worst thing you ever heard? I'm getting tired even for a phoenix, always rising from the ashes, mending all her gashes. Stop, you're losing me. In position, now you're running through the hallways. Delta bond. You have to form a delta bond with the reactive chemicals. Stop, gusto mo ba? Ganun? Haba? Bakit dito ang haba pagdating sa part ko wala ng laman? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Sumama. I look crazy, but there was an earthquake at around 10:30 a while ago, and yeah, classes were suspended because of that. I bought lunch at Tita's, which is apparently only 400 steps from my place. Yeah. So my total steps for the day is very low, but I got food for until dinner so that I don't have to go out later to find food. I'm gonna go eat lunch, do some homework, work out. This is the new plan for the day. Eat some lunch, do homework, work out, take a bath, do more homework and study. I think that's gonna be it for the day, because that's what I just usually do. I should also stop going on my phone so much. I also need to go find a cord that is like iPhone to USB so that I can move my files from my phone to the laptop, but all I have here is iPhone to Type-C. So, or do I? I think that's all I have. I think so. Not sure. No! I should have the one for here. The one that I got new. So I should look for that. Maybe I can transfer files already. Just because since my phone got snatched, I really would like to back up my files, especially my vlogs, because I lost 3 vlogs. And they were good ones. I lost my COVID vlog, my midterms vlog, and another vlog. A study vlog, I believe. And maybe an ongoing one. So maybe 4 vlogs. I don't know. Let's go eat because I'm really starving. Friday, as usual. I am late. Oh my gosh, maiwan ka pa to. Okay, I need to leave at 7:27. My exam's at 7:30. And I'm probably gonna have to take the stairs. Maiwan ka dito. Is there anything that I'm leaving? I don't know. I need to leave. Yeah. I'll see you guys probably in class. Good morning, happy Saturday. It's currently almost 10 a.m. I didn't realize that, but why'd that go there? Anyway, my dog might be digging in the trash, but what am I saying? It's almost 10 a.m. on Saturday, which is the last day of the school week. I don't know how this vlog went. Actually, it's supposed to be a day in my life, so you probably know if you reach this part of the video. But yesterday, I think the last clip I took was me going home from SM North. I didn't tell you that I was going there. It wasn't planned, but I went to get some things that I left there, including shoes that I had fixed 2 months ago that I only got, and some other stuff. And then I went home, and it was an expensive ride home, as it wasn't planned. Other than that, I woke up today at like 6-ish, no, like 7-ish probably, no, like 6-ish, yeah. And then I went and read a book, mind you, that is not academic. Yeah, I am procrastinating stuff. I have, let's see, today is, I think, the 17th. Oh, it's one of my cousin's birthday. Okay, today's the 17th. So we have 3 weeks of school left, 2 weeks of school plus finals, and then I think after that week we have grand finals. It still isn't like completely announced yet what's happening. It's gonna happen to that, but so yeah, 2 weeks of school plus finals. Yeah, that is quite sinking in me. I'm gonna go work out now because I'm feeling crazy. I look crazy. Yeah, I also need, since there's only like less than a month of school left, I need to start eating my stock here. so that I don't have to bring it home. I have been working on my oats and stuff, but yeah, I need to make a meal plan out of that. I can't eat chicken or fish still for a couple more days since I got bitten by Charlie. Well, it's my fault completely, but let's see, today's Saturday, so today's day 3. I think I cannot eat chicken or fish until Wednesday, but I had chicken last night. Well, this morning it was a sliced chicken belly. Well, doesn't matter anyway now. So I need to start meal planning stuff for next week, which I'm gonna do before I work out, probably. Yeah, let's do it. It is once again time to leave for school. It's currently like 1:22 or something, but yeah, after class I'm gonna go get my second booster shot, and my bite is actually doing really well. Like, it's already dry. So my second booster shot, and then I'm gonna go home, pack, get ready. My sister's picking me up for badminton tonight, as is most Saturdays, and I think that's about it. I'm gonna go to class. Probably just gonna be reading in class. I'm planning to read biochem, although the book I was reading this morning is also very like a good contender of things I can do during class, since that class is like really boring. So oh, there's no sun. Let's go.